Here we've got Motorola Moto Z, and let me show you how to clear browsing data on the following device. So at first you have to open the browser that we are using. In my case it is Google Chrome, right here. Then tap on the More icon and select History. Go to Clear Browsing Data. And now you can pick some from Basic and Advanced options. Under Basic you will find Browsing History, Cookies and Site Data, and also Cached Images and Files. And then under Advanced you have some more, and these are saved passwords. Just mark them if you want to delete them as well. Out of Inform Data, Site Settings, and also Media Licenses. And if you would like to remove them all, just mark all of those options, and finally select the time range, so decide if you would like to remove your history from last hour, 24 hours, last week, 4 weeks, or the beginning of time, so I will pick all time, and then just click on Clear Data. And that's it, there is no longer history here, and you can create it from scratch. So that would be all. This is how you can clear browsing data in your Motorola Moto Z. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.